Hey guys, I'm Christina and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about unboxing my first few plants for 2021. I decided I'll just share with you guys my experience in buying from this new vendor called Ugaoo that I have never purchased anything from before. So I want to talk to you about the packaging, the plant condition, the soil they use, and my complete experience buying from them for the first time. So this is how they package their plants. They use this sort of biodegradable tub packaging, which I love. I love the artwork. It's quite quirky. I haven't seen anyone package like this. I have bought plants online before, and I think this is the best packaging I have come across so far. These actually came in this big box right here. So that was extra secure. The plants were nice and safe within this and then within this. Okay. So I've already done like half an unboxing because I was really excited and I planned this video a lot later. So I've removed the rubber band that they use to tie the plant down. And I have also opened the tapes just to fast forward this video a little bit. So, if you guys are ready, I am going to just pop these babies open and see the condition of the plants inside. Ready? So let's do this. Okay, I need to open half the tape. There we go. Oh, and I just noticed that they do mention steps for unboxing these plants right here. Like step 1 says, hold the container and cut the rubber band, which I already did. They had the rubber band right here. And step 2 is remove the tape attached, which I already did. Step 3 is carefully hold the bottom lid and lift up the container upwards to remove the plant. Step 4 is water the plant and keep it in sunlight at least for an hour. Alright, so I'm done with step 1 and 2. Moving on to step 3 then. Okay, this is... Yes! Look at this plant! This is the Syngonium pixie. I really liked it because it was really tiny. I mean, your regular Syngoniums have like really huge leaves, I think the size of my hand, and this one, I just love how cute and small these leaves are. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I will try and add a close-up for you guys later on so you can see the leaves. They're so cute. Aren't they so cute? And they, so I also realized that all of their plants come in these self-watering pots, which I love. I did get additional 5 pots, which also came in this box. So I opted for the 5 multicolored ones. I love it. Okay, so now time to open the second one. Let's make a nice pretty arrangement here while I'm doing this. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, now the second one. And this one, okay, the tape is stuck, sorry. Oh, this is the Fittonia. This one is so cute and so tiny. Look at it. Look at the veins on these leaves. They are so pretty. I'm not sure this light is doing justice to the beauty of this plant, but it is so, so pretty. I am going to get close-ups for you guys. I love it. Okay, I wanna just see the soil because I said I would talk about the soil, so let me just have a little peek at the soil. So another reason why I decided to buy from them is because their website mentioned that they use soilless potting mix, which is what I use for all my plants. So this sort of saves me the trouble of repotting them when I get them, and I can just leave them in these pots. I don't have to worry about all of that. They've already gone through the trauma of the journey, so less trauma for them. Now I'm also noticing some sort of gel kind of thing here. I don't know if you can see that gel thingy. So this is organic starch jelly that they use to help your plants stay moist during the entire journey to you. So that is another reason why I purchased from them. Okay, now let me show you my third plant. Oops. Okay, sorry about that. Now for my, oh god, there's so much of glare on my glass. Sorry, wearing specs today. Alright, my third one I ordered for, okay, I ordered for a philodendron oxycardium variegated. So this is what it looks like. Here you go. And this one has a lot of new leaves growing on it. You can't see it here, but it's got tons of new leaves growing on it, which I love. I love the little light green sort of variegation that goes down the center. I think it's really cute. So these were the 3 plants I bought. I know these are common plants and most of you already probably have them, but these are my first. I've never owned any of these plants before, and I really did like them because of how easy they are to care for, except for the Fittonia. I know the Fittonia is quite a drama queen. That's what I've heard from everyone, and the foliage is just so pretty. I had to get one for myself. I just had to. Hopefully I would have better luck with her. I don't know. Fingers crossed. Okay, so overall my experience with these guys has been pleasant. I will definitely order more from Ugaoo, and I definitely recommend them to you too. Ugaoo, you guys did a great job. I am very happy. Thank you so much for my plants and getting them to me really nice and safe. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, stay tuned.